Have you ever dropped screws, bolts, nuts, anything like that on the ground, whether it's grass, in the dirt, rocks, and you want something that's a little easier to pick them up? Now we got it. All you gotta do is pretty much wheel it over the metal and it will pick it up. And then if we wheel it over, it's gonna grab them all. This one's actually pretty strong. And to show you the strength of it, you know, we could drop a whole tool, let's say, and you will see that it will even grab and pick up an entire tool. Now to give you a quick look using concrete. Now some of these smaller things wouldn't have gone in a tire, but that rusty staple through a foot wouldn't have been fun. Anyway, if you're looking for a magnetic sweeper, this one does work pretty well. It's pretty easy to put together and it's lightweight.